Yeah. Whoa. Oh, sorry. What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Klaus Schiller. Nice, a very nice donation. Thank you, Grandma's Rocks. I caught that on tape. Okay. I'm just gonna shoot the next person I see because I'm gonna take out my anger on these innocent people. Let's go to the value list, mm2values.com. Check the trade checker, check Chromas, check everything, trade checker. Godly chromatides, it's 6K. Oh. I need to take down this stream. This was such a trashy stream. Private, done, save, yeet. Okay, I'm good. Alright. Jesus Christ. Slaggy chat. It's all good though. Whoa, a seer? Is it? I don't know. Oh, okay, thank you for the free seer. Okay, anyways, I need to claim my stuff from Swerve to pay, because I gave her a loan. I'm getting my loan back. Yay. I had given him a loan. This guy's got Chroma saw. Nice. Oh, it's Tyler. Yeah, this was gonna give me the free seer. Who this? I call. Golf Chopper. Oh, does he have his Chroma? No, he hasn't his alt account. Yee guys, what's up today? Another gameplay video. Hopefully they'll kill me. Oh, it's a big eye. I know you guys can't hear that, but I sure as heck can. I don't want the frostbite now. Sure, I'm not right now. I was getting another donation from iBuycom. Good nice stuff. Thank you for the free frostbite. I will now have 2 frostbites in my collection of frostbites. Yay. Oh, unless he's not gonna accept. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Sure thing. Holy crap, that is a big sword. Oh, nice. Some pets. Yay. I'll pick some godly pets and oh, I think those are valuable. Thank you for the donation. Dude, big sword. Ah, yes. Big bargain. Take it. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Because OBS is trash for Mac. For the vid. Oh, Swerve says he wants to lend me the Chroma. What Chroma will I be lent? Whoa, the Chroma Death Shard. Kids, don't do this with people. I'm me, not whoever else you're trusting is, because like I don't scam. As you can see, there's a Chroma Death Shard. Let's walk around with it. Okay, looks like they went the bad guy. Bruh, did I just die? Just die. Oh my god. Imagine Chroma Eternal. That probably will be a thing sooner or later. You're my father. Yes. Alright, let me give Swerve to Faye back. Here's Chroma. I'm not scamming. Give to your father to be his son. But yeah, so that was that. So as you can see, Voltron's clearly won. And, I'm your... Oh. Can you be my father? Right now. Is he actually gonna do this? Would be like an interesting video. Just. What, is he gonna trust me with these? It'd be so surprising. JK, JK. Creative JK, JK. Yeah, no. He actually trusted me with that. The blaster, the boneblade battle axe, and then like the corrupt. I actually want to put on the corrupt knife. Wait, where's the corrupt? What? Did I get a corrupt? Give you my only item. That's actually weird. Did he give me the? Did my eyes deceive me? Hold on, let me give these back to him before the video ends. I wanted to try the. Oh, there it is. Hold on, let me. Of course you can, sir. What did he give me? Oh, bumble. I gotta give this to him. Come on, around that much time. Around that much time. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Yeah.